Hello everyone. Today I am excited to present our travel planning and recommendation chatbot project. This chatbot leverages advanced AI to assist users in planning their travels with personalized recommendations, detailed itineraries, and useful tips. The primary objective of this project is to develop a chatbot that simplifies the travel planning process. By utilizing a locally hosted large language model, we aim to provide users with quick and personalized travel advice, making the planning process more efficient and enjoyable. Travelers often struggle with planning trips, needing suggestions for destinations, activity, accommodations, and travel tips. Our challenge was to create a chatbot that can understand and respond to diverse and complex queries while maintaining an engaging and conversational tone. Our technology stack includes Streamlit for the front end and the Ollama LLM model running on a local machine for the backend. This step ensures efficient natural language processing and quick response times. Let's walk through the implementation steps. First, we set up the environment by installing Streamlit and accessory dependencies and configure the Ollama LLM model on our local machine. Then we build the user interface using Streamlit components like text input, buttons, and markdowns. After that, we integrate the LLM by connecting the chatbot with the Ollama model using API requests and designing efficient prompts. Next, we handle user queries by implementing functions that process inputs and generate appropriate responses. Finally, we test and evaluate the chatbot with a variety of queries to ensure accuracy and usability. In prompt design phase, to maintain a consistent and engaging tone, we use a persona pattern in our prompts. TravelBot, our friendly and knowledgeable travel assistant, interacts with users, providing personalized travel advice based on their preferences and queries. Here's an example of a prompt we use. You are a useful and knowledgeable travel assistant named TravelBot. Your goal is to help users plan their trips by providing personalized recommendations for destinations, itineraries, activities, accommodations, and travel tips based on their preferences and queries. Maintain a friendly and engaging tone throughout the conversation. Now you can see the result of our chatbot that delivers personalized travel recommendations, detailed itinerary, and helpful travel tips. Thank you for watching this video. I've included the GitHub repository for the project for more detail if you are interested.